Hey, we're here with Bruce Camacho. Bruce just opened. I say relatively new. It's like 2 months old or so.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cycle joint on Palafox, right across from our office at Palafox in Romana. And we're so glad to have you here.
Appreciate that. Thank you, Joe.
Not anything against Pen Air, but you know, Pen Air sort of, it's not as much fun as a bike store, especially electric bike store. And we've just gone through his inventory. He's got a bunch of great bikes here. Electric bikes, pedal assist bikes. There's a whole different, what main categories are there?
So you have a pedal assist electric bicycle, and then you have a throttle electric bicycle, and sometimes a combination of both.
All right. And so pedal assist obviously look like a bike. They have pedals. You don't press a gas button or a throttle button. You have to actually engage the pedals to get movement. And from a legal perspective, obviously, there's different things you have to watch out for if you have pedals versus not. I'm assuming that if you don't have pedals, it's treated more like a motorcycle, right?
A motorcycle or moped.
A moped, okay. And then if you have pedals, can you ride legally? I think you can ride that on the sidewalk, right? Or the bike path?
You could. I would caution people, even though the law might permit you to do something, is not necessarily always prudent.
Right.
So with an electric bike on a sidewalk, I would use caution. It can certainly be done with caution.
Right. Bike lanes, for instance.
Yes.
Can you ride a pedal assist electric bike in a bike lane?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And is there a mile per hour limit to a bike lane?
I'm not certain about that. That's a good question.
I don't know the answer to it either, but we're going to put the law underneath this video so that we can show everybody the answer. Helmets are always something that you recommend, I would guess, right?
Yes,
okay.
Absolutely.
All right, and y'all sell I saw some of those back here on the wall, too.
We do,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
That's great. And then you have one wheels, which...
We do.
Yep, those are great. And I guess the main part of your business, though, is the electric bike, which is taken off all over the world.
Yes, sir.
And you have all kinds of different flavors. We'll put a link to your website so they can see the different types of bikes you have here. We just wanted to do a quick video welcoming you to the block and talking a little bit about public safety when it comes to these electric bikes. And we're going to publish under this video the applicable rules and regulations in regards to electric bikes in Florida and in the city, if there's anything different. But basically, they're treated like mopeds.
Well, so in Florida, electric bike is going to fall under the guidelines of traditional bicycle for the most part. Most of them are going to have a top speed of 28 miles an hour, so you can move with the flow of traffic, but you can do so cautiously.
Right. And for those of you who haven't competed, I've never seen 28 or 29 miles an hour, but plenty of my friends that are triathletes see that all the time. Absolutely. And a regular bike.
Yes.
So I say regular. A road bike that has no battery, right? Yes. So you may be thinking, well, 30 miles an hour, that sounds crazy. There's plenty of people that are riding road bikes with no motor that are going 25 to 32 miles an hour daily on the beach road and wherever else they can get a straight path. Anyway, Bruce, we're happy to have you on the block.
Thank you, Jeff.
If y'all have questions about electric bikes, come see Bruce at the cycle joint. If you have questions about a case related to any kind of, hopefully not, but a case related to an electric bike, you can always call us at 855-HIRE-JOE or on the web at zarzaur.com. Thank you.